Okay, so hi everyone, Roshan this side, and basically in this particular video we are going to talk about if you are taking the Facebook ad service from our side, from our agency, what you are getting in Facebook ads. Okay, so in this whole video I am explaining like what we are offering and how we help coaches to get at least 3x ROAS in next 90 days. Okay, so basically this video is I explaining my offer, like which type of offer I am giving to clients. Like clients mainly is coaches, consultant, and we are focusing like how we can add the value. So in this particular video I am like break down each and everything. Okay, so we are giving the Facebook ad services. Basically it's a growth offer. It's for 90 days scale plan. Okay, like we are not giving this particular offer for everyone. This is offer designed only for businesses that already have a like proof of sale and infrastructure in palace. Like there is a person, if anyone don't have the like sales team and defined sales process, so we are not helping them because if they don't have this kind of the process, it's not work for them, and they have at least 100 plus past customers. So their product and service is proven, because when you spend ads and you don't have your product and service proven, you are struggling for sales. So you have to prove your product. First of all, you have to prove your product before spending lots of money on ads. Okay, and we also work with that kind of the person. They have a like at least 30,000 ad budget to spend on ads. So this is our main three criteria to work with us, and mainly we are working with like coaches consultant, because I have a more results on coaches consultant, because I am spending more than 35 lakhs rupees on ad or generating 2 crore plus revenue. I will also show you my case studies that I recorded. Okay, so let's understand what we also simple objective is achieve up to 3x in next 90 days. We are not giving the random services only, we are giving them the guarantee. If you are not getting 3x, minimum 3x ROAS in next 90 days, we will work free until you hit this particular mark. So this is our guarantee with it. So for this reason we are not working everybody. Okay, simple. We also mention this particular things कि if result are not achieved, we continue working at no additional cost until the target is reached. So simply I mention this particular line with every invoice. Okay, so what we do basically in 3 months, basically 3 month execution breakdown I will show you ki like what we do in 3 months. So first month is the like number and foundation. If your number is already clear, it's good for us and also good for you. What is the number means ki like exactly how much revenue you are making, and for example if you are making the 1 lakh rupees, how much money you are spending on marketing side, and what is the CPL cost, what is the like CAC, what is the your acquisition cost, what is your like total overall marketing cost. So these kind of the number or CPL, CPA and ROS, if you have already prepared, that is okay. Otherwise first month we are going to fix this particular numbers first, number and foundation. Simple is like identify winning ads and establish clear performance benchmark. And when this happen, you have to your numbers prepare, then you can do this. Okay, so how we can do it? First of all, business and offer analysis. We have to analyze your business and offer, then we can optimize funnel and tracking setup. If you are running ads and you are not tracking proper way, like how many leads you are getting, how many people converts, and which from which creative you are getting customers. Or third is like we are launching 2 videos and images. This is a like mandatory. We also use multiple, but it's a like minimum number. Test multiple audience, creative and messaging angle, and identify best performing creative and baseline CPA and CPL and ROS. So this is our first month. Overall, if you wanted to know, like first month we are like clear the numbers. If you wanted to make 1 lakh rupees, how much you have to spend in marketing and how much you have to spend on ads. So this is the first number. Let's talk about the second number. What we do second month is like we are building the audience and optimization. Goal is building a strong audience and improve efficiency. Simple, we are using retargeting method from second month because we already know numbers. Then we create multiple lookalike audience. like existing leads, existing customers, and existing landing page and website visitor. So this kind of the look like audience we already keep. Daily budget optimization, like first month we are not increasing much, but from second month we are increasing budget at least 2x. Like for example, if we are spending 30,000 rupees last month, we are spending at least 60,000 for second month. So this is the second month overall outcome. If you wanted to know, stable performing with scalable. In second month, I will at least give them like at least you can make 2x. This is not proper number, but you are more profitable. First month maybe you are going to in negative side, because if you spend sometime 1 lakh rupees, maybe you can get like 80,000, 90,000, sometime break even. But in second month you are making at least some money and some profits, because this is like first and second month your fundamentals. Okay, and let's talk about the third month, scaling and 3x ROS. In third month you can expect at least 3x ROS, and believe me guys, I am giving my client at least 5x 10x ROS or 3x ROS. It's not my number, it's like average market standard number is 3x. So what we do, basically we increase the budget on top performing campaigns, duplicate expand the winning ads, and apply advanced scaling basically strategy, and refresh creative to maintain the performance. We have to use the creative every single month for getting better CTR, for lowering the CPL, and for reducing the CAC. Okay, so outcome is like consistent scalable growth with a focus on 3x return minimum. This is not like a maximum, this is the minimum. Upper side is open. Okay, so what we deliver, basically I hope you understand what we do. If you are talking about first month we clear the number, second month we build the audience, and third month we are going to scale, and you can expect 3x ROS in next 90 days. Okay, but again we have to look at your business, what is your past experience, then we can plan. Okay, what we deliver, so simple. For first month, like we plan at least 2 video and 5 image. This is a like minimum budget. If we spend 30,000, so this creative we are using, this is not a like mandatory ki we only use 7 creative. No, it's depend upon ki like how much budget you spend. Okay, so this is the minimum. If you are spending 30,000, we use at least 2 video and 5 to 10 images. Okay, second, what we do, simple, complete setup and testing, optimization and scaling, daily monitoring, performance and adjustment. These things doing by our team. We set up all the things. If you already set up your campaign, we have to optimize that, like depend upon like what is the gap in your account. So these things we are already doing. One very important things we are doing in our services, like this kind of the deliverables you are getting in, who is charging at least 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees, they assign you success manager, but we are giving them the success manager at very like what we can say, it's a like very minimum amount. We are giving you the like dedicated success manager that especially work on your project. Okay, one point of context is responsible for execution and results, weekly strategy, alignment and planning. These all things doing by dedicated manager. They work to success your project. So like these things alone, like if you are going to hire any performance marketing manager, they cost you easily to 40 to 50,000 rupees monthly. These only things, or these things we are providing. Okay, let's talk about the reporting and planning. So in reporting, we are first of all make a plans on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis. These 3 kinds of the plan we are making, and also we are making plan for next 90 days, and then we are converting that plan in like reporting, daily reporting, weekly reporting and monthly reporting. These things happen, and every week we are provided one-to-one call with me. On that particular call we are discuss about the strategy, last week performance, next week what is our roadmap. These things we are provided. These additional things, like especially I help you to map this particular all things. Okay, so this is the like reporting and planning. Let's talk about the performance commitment. I already told you can expect minimum 3x ROS in next 90. Minimum. This is not like maximum, minimum. And again, guarantee is always available. If you are working with me for 90 days and if you are not getting 3x ROAS, I will work free until you hit the mark. So we have a like two plans. First is the like 3-month growth plan, best option for proper testing and optimization and scaling. If you have any kind of the doubts, so you can start with the 1-month plan, and simple, you can book your call. You can get the link in description, and you can discuss with me and my team. And I also show you some results that we generated. So first of all, this result is on my YouTube channel. So I am not show you here, I just show you on my YouTube channel directly. Just I open YouTube. So you can see this is my YouTube channel, my all case study recorded here. How we generated 300 leads, how we bring 500 webinar registration in 24 hours, how we generated 10,000 leads after spending 2,30,000 rupees, how we get 16 clients from one ads, how we generated 7,000 lead after spending 2 lakhs, how we generated 1.5 crore revenue or at the after spending 11 lakh rupees, how we generated 9,000 leads. So these kind of the all results I already uploaded on YouTube channel, and you know YouTube is absolutely free. You can go and watch and verify all things. And yeah, so there is no any kind of the like false things I am claiming. You can go and watch, and if you wanted to proper roadmap for your business, you can simple book your call and let's discuss on call ki how we can help you. Okay, and yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question related to this, you can simple comment below, and if you like it, just like it. And if you wanted to grow your business, you can book one-to-one call. And if you wanted ki like I have a one friend and one colleague who need this kind of the video, and you think like I can help you, so you can share this particular video with them. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, and love you all. Bye.